Okay, it's definitely going now.
Okay, go first, Sam. If I fall, I'm suing Melissa. I know, me too.
Wait, don't. Are you gonna dive?
How do you get across?
I would go down and step
you can go
across.
down. I'm going
Wait,
down.
how? I'm confused.
Like this, you doofus.
Oh, look at it.
Look it, yeah, right.
Wait, no, just stop.
I don't know how to get from
I'm so confused.
Oh my gosh, Courtney, you're gonna like kill yourself. Okay, wait.
Courtney, I'm scared for you.
There you go. Go, Sam.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, I can do this. I have faith in myself.
I'm glad that was videoed.
Okay.
Alright, Kristen's making along.
Yeah, I'm doing
I
it the
made it.
slow way.
Sam, your butt was in my face momentarily. This is not
Have
gonna be
you
pretty.
there?
Yeah.
I would go down.
Yeah, I'm not thinking I'm gonna try to like dive on the. I'm gonna try and dive. I'm just kidding. Wait, okay, go.
Try dive like a monkey.
I'm gonna dive like a monkey.
Are you okay, Sam? I'm good. Okay, I don't want to
I
dive
didn't
like a
know.
monkey anymore.
Where am I?
Are you okay, Sam?
I'm fine.
Oh,
You're gonna hurt yourself
jeez.
doing that.
I'm gonna be fired as the youth leader.
I got it. That paycheck.
I'm not gonna get my paycheck next week.
Do what I do. Swing one leg over. No one does what I do.
Okay, did I win?
You definitely won. Wait, except Kristen's still in the running.
Okay.
Doing fine.
Sam wins for the most graceful fall on the grass.
There we go. That works.
No, you have to go like all the way over there.
Nice.
There.
Yay.
I made
But
it.
you have to be on
Nice.
top of it. Oh, fine. No, wait down.